Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Bloom apple tea. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 fresh, crisp apples, 2 teaspoons of your preferred floral or fruit tea blend, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Also, have 2 cups of clean water and a teapot or infuser ready. This simple preparation ensures a delightful and aromatic beverage for you to enjoy. Next, let's prepare our apples. Start by thoroughly washing and coring 2 medium-sized apples. Then, carefully slice them into thin, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. You have the option to peel the apples for a smoother tea or leave the skin on for a richer, more robust flavor. Now, it's time to brew your tea. Carefully place all the prepared apple slices into your teapot or infuser. Add 2 full teaspoons of your chosen floral or fruit-infused tea blend. Then, pour 2 cups of hot water, ideally around 185 degrees Fahrenheit, over the apples and tea. Finally, let your tea steep for 5 to 7 minutes to fully develop its wonderful flavors. Once steeped, strain the tea to remove the apple slices and tea leaves. You can then sweeten your warm Bloom apple tea with 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup to taste. Serve it immediately and savor this comforting drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.